Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. In this one, we're gonna be learning about text formatting. So before going into the video, I would appreciate you guys liking and subscribing the video, and feel free to comment. So let's go into the topic. So first, text formatting. I'm gonna say what is this used for. So basically, text formatting is used basically kind of to say if you want to see more about this, it's probably used in like Amazon and stuff, like to show the deals or something. So it basically describes how the texture look like, and it's not like font look or something. It's totally different. So let's see an example using this. So first I'm gonna create my doc type as HTML, so let's just do that. And then I'm gonna have HTML right here, so let's just do that right there. And that should be it. And here I'm gonna have an head tag, and I'm just gonna have a title in this because I don't want to have anything, but I'm just gonna keep the head tag so that it's probably gonna become a practice. So text formatting, I'll name it, and that should be it. So let's just click enter right here, and that should be it. So let's just name body right here, and this is where we do our text formatting and stuff. So first I'm gonna have an h1 tag. Let's just have that, and I'm having an h1 tag to show you guys the difference, so it doesn't matter what tag you use, but this thing will work. So first let's just say this text, and this is basically what we have right here, right? This is some text, and let's reload this right here. For some reason it's not appearing for us, so let's just reload this again probably. And there we go, we got it right there. This is some text, and that's how this thing works. So this time we're gonna make this text bold. So let's just make like, let's just say this text as bold. So let's just keep b tag right there, and inside this you're gonna put your thing inside that, and it's basically inside a tag, it's a tag. So basically we have h1 tag, and inside that h1 tag we have our b tag. And let's just run this, and as you see it is still working. But to see the actual difference you can probably keep like h4, okay? So let's just say that h4, let's just change this, and probably that should show the difference. And I mean that kind of looks like a difference, I'll say. And if you want even more difference, what you can do is you can just delete this and directly keep a p tag so that it's gonna appear normally. So this time it should show a difference. So let's just reload this again, and there we go. So that's a lot difference, right? So you can even increase the font of it, as I said. So let's just do that real quick, and you can basically do that, so it doesn't matter. And you should have probably do in this tag, so probably in the body tag or so. And that should be it. So you can change whatever you want, and I'm probably gonna change the font soon, or probably not. And as we see, the text is bold right there, and this is in different kind of font. So that's how you can make that bold. And now let's make it strong. So let's just change this to strong, and that should be strong too. Let's just do that, and that should be it. So that's basically how strong looks like. I know it does kind of look like bold. I know it's kind of does, but I don't know what is the difference, but they both are different, and that's what they say. So basically if you want some more, it just says something right here. The strong element the strong element represents strong importance, seriousness, or urgency for its content, and it kind of looks like bold, not gonna lie. And let's just delete this real quick. So let's just do that, and that should be it. So this time we're just gonna have something like italic. So let's just keep I tag right here, and let's just say italic. This is some italic text. And let's just run this, and that's how that thing works. And that's basically what we're gonna see in this video. And let's just see some more ones. So now this is emphasized, and let's just see this. And remember the italic kind of looks like this too, so let's just reload this. And as you see, it barely changed it, and this emphasize is kind of the same as italic. That's what I said, so that's what it does. And let's just delete this since we don't need that right now. And this is also a lot of fun to do, what I'm gonna say now. So it's mark. Let's just have our mark right here, and this is basically gonna mark it. So let's just say this is some mark, and let's just put at the end as text. So that should be it. So let's just reload this, and this is some marker text. I'll put marked. I should have changed this to marked, and there we go. This is some marked text, and that's how this thing is. And this is highlighted in yellow, so basically a highlighter to say. And let's just see another one. And this marked one is used a lot of times in HTML if you want to develop your website and stuff, so you can do that. And this is basically gonna make this very small. So we already have a p tag that is already small, but this is gonna make it even smaller. And I know that's a lot small, so that's basically what it's used for. I don't think so this is that necessary to use, but I don't think so. So basically kind of looks like a printed text or so that's basically how it looks like. So now this is most of the time used in like Amazon and stuff, so let's just change this to delete, and that should be it. So many people might think it's basically gonna delete it, but instead it's gonna mark a line inside this. So let's just change it to deleted text, and there we go. And that's basically how it does work. And after deleting, let's say you want to insert something, so let's just say this is some deleted, and let's just keep ins, and let's insert this is some deleted, or let's just say comma and insert it. I should have keep the comma outside, so I'm gonna put this comma right there, or let's just not put this. Okay, so that should be it. So we are gonna put this in a second inside this. So let's just put this inside this real quick. I'm gonna delete that, and then let's just put something else. I don't want to say insert or something, and probably that's it. And there we go. This is some deleted and this is inserted. So that's basically how it works. And it doesn't work like Python, in which you delete and insert, so that's not how it should work. So I'll say this is how it should work. And this is basically used in websites, because let's say it was like $999 and stuff, so you just delete that and just make it to 499 or so. So that's how you can say. And that's how this thing delete and insert thing works. So let's just delete this since we don't need this right now. And now we're basically gonna be learning about subscript and superscript. So subscript, the name itself kind of tells us off. It's sub, which is low, and the superscript, the name itself kind of tells us super, which is high. So that's basically how we can remember that. And let's just put sub right here first, and then I'm just gonna say subscripted. So now let's just reload this, and there we go. We got our output, and it just says subscripted, and that's basically how this thing works. And it, as you see, just in subscripted, which is basically down. And if you wanted to superscript, you basically have to type sup, and then this is basically gonna change it to uppercase. So let's just do that. Now let me just change it to superscripted, and I don't even have to worry about that name. I don't even care about that. So let's just reload this, and there we go. That came up, and that's how this thing works. But still, whenever we highlight, it still considers about the down plot and stuff. So we don't have to worry about that right now. So I'll end the video here. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.